This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with a gentle cleanse. In this video, I will explain how to care for your hair naturally. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo to protect your hair's natural moisture. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week, focusing on your scalp. Always finish with a cool water rinse to help seal the cuticles and enhance shine. Next, nourish your strands. Apply a natural conditioner, concentrating on the mid-lengths and ends, avoiding the scalp. Detangle your hair gently while it's still wet, using a wide-tooth comb to prevent breakage. For extra hydration, try a deep conditioning treatment 1 time a week. How you dry and style makes a big difference. Air dry your hair whenever you can to avoid heat damage. If you must use heat, apply a heat protectant first. Gently blot your hair with a microfiber towel to reduce frizz. Finish with a few drops of a natural oil for shine and protection. Finally, protect your beautiful hair. Shield it from harsh sun and environmental elements. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can significantly reduce friction and tangles overnight. Remember to get regular trims, about every 8 to 12 weeks, to keep your ends healthy and prevent split ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.